Welcome back to the MATLAB for Students series. In this video, we're diving into Live Scripts, an interactive visual way to combine code, results, and explanations in one document. To get started, go to the Home tab and click New Live Script. A live script has a .mlx file extension and supports formatted text, equations, images, and executable code all in the same space. You can write code as usual, but now you can insert formatted text using Markdown or rich text. You can visualize outputs in line. Plots appear directly beneath your code, making it easy to see what's happening without opening separate figures. You can also insert LaTeX-style math expressions, add headers, bullet points, and images. It's perfect for assignments, reports, or presentations. Want to hide code and just show results? Use the right-click menu to collapse sections or change view modes. Live scripts support interactive controls too. Add sliders, drop-downs, and buttons to make your scripts dynamic. This is especially useful for building simple apps or demos without creating full GUIs. You can export live scripts as PDFs or HTML documents, making them great for sharing work with others who don't use MATLAB. To summarize, live scripts combine code, results, and text. They're great for teaching, sharing, and documentation. They support formatting, math, and interactivity. In the next video, we'll look at Monte Carlo simulations and how to use randomness to make smart decisions. Don't miss it.